What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today's project is this rather rare Cub Cadet commercial trimmer. And the problem that it has is that it leaks gas slowly somewhere around the fuel tank. Let's see if we can find out what the problem is and fix it. This is going to be my first Cub Cadet commercial trimmer, and I have to say it's built very well. But even great commercial equipment can develop problems, and this one has got a doozy. It's leaking gas from around the gas tank, and if you take a look at this other tank, it seems to be leaking from the front of the tank where the seam is right here. A replacement fuel tank is the best fix for this, although I have thought about plastic welding the seam so it doesn't leak, but it's not a guaranteed fix. The online price for the tank was $30, but it's a lot cheaper than if I were to buy it locally here in town. Before we begin, let's go ahead and disconnect the vent tube from the top cover. It's a little easier this way than trying to disconnect it later on. Next, remove the 4 Torx bolts holding the recoil to the engine. Next, lift up the top cover and remove the recoil, and it has a little rubber grommet that holds the fuel tank in place. We have to swap fuel caps, so I'll go ahead and take it off right now. And then finally, disconnect the fuel lines from the carburetor. And now we can safely remove the fuel tank from the engine. It's time to remove the grommets for the vent and both fuel lines from the old tank. Just be extremely careful, otherwise you'll damage the grommets and then you'll have to replace them. And of course, this is the new fuel tank. All you need to do now is simply reinstall both grommets into the new tank. And once again, be very careful and take your time when you reinstall these grommets. And once you're done reinstalling the grommets, now reinstall the whole fuel tank onto the engine. I'm not going to start this engine as I already fixed it for a hard start issue. If you want to see that video, it's linked in the description below. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you found it very informative. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video.